Welcome back, everyone. So today we are going to do one of your favorite kind of videos, and that is, of course, storytelling with pixie haircuts. As you guys know, pixies are going to be huge in 2022, and in this video we are going to showcase a variety of different pixie haircuts, from super short and shaven pixie styles to more longer bob type pixies. So let's jump right into this transformation. This one features someone with super long hair, and she is getting it trimmed down very short, and the stylist is going back in and she's shaving the look. So I would classify this as kind of a buzz cut pixie. Some would just say that this is simply a buzz cut, but I classify this as a buzz cut pixie because it does have a little bit more hair at the top. So there she goes. She dyed it lilac and then platinum, and she really wanted a dramatic change. So moving on to this next haircut, this one is going to feature a bit of an undercut pixie. Some would just call this an undercut, but I consider this an undercut pixie. So style that you could possibly get at the salon, or if you really wanted to take the risk, you could do it yourself. It just depends on how much hair knowledge and background you have. So next up, we are going to see this gorgeous pixie transformation. This one is going to be a bit of a pixie because it does have elements of looking like a bob in the front and then looking more like a pixie in the back. Absolutely gorgeous shape. This is the perfect hairstyle to try out if you're in between styles and you don't know if you want to get a signature pixie or if you want to get a signature bob. So this one is going to feature a gorgeous classic pixie haircut. Absolutely love the way this looks with the red lip and the makeup. And she can move her bangs around to part them as she wants. And I think that this is a great versatile way to wear a pixie haircut. Next up, we have a pixie hair with someone who has a little bit more texture to their hair. So if you're wondering if curly girls can rock a pixie haircut, you very well can. So she has a lot of texture, and in this tutorial she is doing a lot of scrunching in order to further define her pixie and really just give it that messy shape that she ends up achieving at the end. So there is the finished result of her wavy curly pixie. Absolutely love this shape and the messiness to it. So here we have a very short pixie, and then here is a look at some other super short kind of pixies, as well as this faded pixie haircut. So next, have a look at another classic pixie. This one, of course, features the traditional shape as well as a slight baby bang action going on in the front. So next we are going to move into this gorgeous rocker chic pixie. This one features a lot of volume at the top portion of the hair, along with some highlights, some pink gorgeous highlights, and moves into more of that mohawk shape, and also features shaven sides. Our next hair transformation, we are going to see a bob being turned into more of a pixie. This one also features elements of having both a pixie and a bob variation. And moving on to the next one, this one is going to feature more of a classic pixie haircut, and it does have bangs, and we're seeing the bangs coming back into the pixie haircuts. This was a trend that was huge during the 90s, and it seems to be circulating back around. With this, then we see this gorgeous pixie haircut with the copper undertone. Absolutely love this look. This is definitely a classic pixie with a longer bang style, and we are just adoring this haircut. And then moving on to this undercut, this features more of the modern pixie feel with the tapered back. To see yet another gorgeous haircut transformation. This one features someone going from long curly hair to a short curly pixie. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Let me know which pixie haircut is your favorite in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. So next we are going to move